In this video, we will guide you through answering question 7 of the PIP2 form. The PIP2 form is a paper form that is sent to you from the DWP. For more information on how to get this form, contact Dash on 020 884 88319. Question 7 on the form is about how you manage your toilet needs and incontinence. They are going to ask you whether you can manage your toilet needs yourself. This means being able to get on and off a standard toilet, as well as being able to clean yourself after use. Managing incontinence means being able to empty your bowel and bladder, including emptying a collecting device, such as a bag, bucket, and other forms of collecting devices, as well as being able to clean yourself afterwards. Question 7a asks you whether your condition affects your ability to use the toilet and manage incontinence. If you have ticked no, move on to question 8. If you have ticked yes, continue with question 7. Question 7b asks you to go into more detail about the ways your condition affects you going to the toilet and/or managing incontinence. This includes any help or aids you may use from a person or appliance. This includes, but is not limited to, having to have a raised toilet seat, bottom wipers or bidets, or someone telling you to use the toilet or manage incontinence, someone physically helping you to do this, someone supervising you to ensure safety. If you feel you need an aid or help but don't currently receive it, please still include it on the form. When answering this question, think about what you experience when you manage your toilet needs and incontinence. Underneath the question, there are bullet points that help you to answer this question. Use this to your advantage to ensure that you include as much detail as you can, as the more detail you include, the better understanding the DWP will have of how your condition or disability affects your daily life. If you downplay or exaggerate your condition, it could have a negative impact on your application. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020 884 88319. Or alternatively, email them at info@dash.org.uk.